Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to ignore calls on the iPhone without blocking. So if you guys are wondering how to ignore the calls on your iPhone device without necessarily blocking those numbers, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So this is going to be pretty easy, guys, because what we actually need to do is to, once you have received, or basically, once your phone is ringing, and basically, the caller that has called you is someone you'd like to ignore. Well, in order for us to ignore them without actually dropping the call, or letting them know that you've dropped the call, and also without blocking them is, once your phone has rang, go ahead, under your control centers, and this is actually a secret trick that most users do, and that is to turn on the airplane mode. As soon as your phone rings, this actually shows to the caller that the call has failed, instead of the call being dropped by you. So it's a quick and easy way to basically ignore them without telling them that you have dropped the call. That's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.